The reactivity of alkyl halides towards SN2 reaction is follows the order. This is methyl halide, primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, tertiary alkyl halide. The most reactive is that of a methyl halide. This will be depending upon the transition state. This will be depending upon the carbon with which nucleophile is going to be attached. It will be depending upon the leaving group. Now, let me take an example. Suppose there is a methyl halide. The attack of nucleophile takes place. The attack of nucleophile will be taking place very easily. There will be no steric hindrance as there is no presence of any bulky group. Now suppose it is a secondary alkyl halide. There is a presence of bulky group. Now the attack of nucleophile takes place. In this case, the nucleophile will attack with difficulty because this CH3 will sterically hinder with that of a carbon. This bulky group will not allow this nucleophile to enter very easily. Now suppose there are two bulky groups. Now the entry of nucleophile, again that will become very much difficult. It will not be allowed to enter. These two alkyl group will sterically hinder with it. Now there will be more steric hindrance than that of this first compound. Now suppose their compound is like this: CH3, 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 Br, and now nucleophile tries to enter. This will hardly allow nucleophile to attack with this carbon because of the very high steric hindrance. So the reactivity for the SN2 reaction is maximum for methyl halide, then for primary, then for secondary, then for tertiary. This depends upon the carbon with which these groups are attached. If these groups are bulkier, they do not allow nucleophile to enter or to attack this partially positively charged carbon. There is a problem even in the formation of transition state. As the number of alkyl group increases, it becomes more and more difficult for the nucleophile to enter in. In the case of tertiary alkyl halide, the nucleophile either do not enter or it enters with very much difficulty. So the reactivity order is methyl halide maximum, then it is primary halide, then it is secondary halide, and then it is tertiary alkyl halide. Now we can easily see the order of reactivity in the case of SN2 reaction. Similarly, now I will discuss about the SN1 reaction, which does not take place in one step rather than which takes place in that of a two steps.